Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet earrings designs model. Crochet earrings design are handmade earrings created by crocheting yarn or thread into decorative shapes and patterns. They combine traditional crochet techniques with jewelry making to create lightweight, unique and customizable accessories. Popular crochet earrings design: crochet flower earrings, small roses, daisies, or floral motifs. Crochet hoop earrings, crochet thread wrapped around a metal hoop. Crochet leaf earrings, delicate leaf shapes designed with a natural look. Also, crochet granny square earrings, tiny colorful square motifs. Also, crochet teardrop earrings, elegant hanging shapes suitable for special occasions. Crochet butterfly earrings, cute and feminine design. Crochet mandala earrings indicate circular patterns with beautiful details. Crochet heart earrings, romantic and charming for everyday wear. Crochet geometric earrings, modern triangles, circles, diamonds, and other shapes. Beaded crochet earrings, crochet combined with beads, pearls, or crystals. Crochet earrings can be made in almost any color, size, shape, and pattern. Cotton thread is commonly used because it allows fine detailing while keeping the earrings lightweight. They are especially popular for boho, vintage, corkscrew, handmade, and minimalist fashion styles. They can also be customized with wooden beads, pearls, metal charms, embroidery, or colorful yarn to create a more distinctive look. Here are some more crochet earrings design tips. First, choose fine crochet thread. Thin cotton thread gives earrings a delicate and polished appearance. Keep the earrings lightweight. Avoid bulky yarn or heavy decorations so they remain comfortable. Use a small crochet hook. A smaller hook helps create tight, neat stitches and detailed patterns. Experiment with color combinations. Try pastel shades for a soft look or bold colors for statement earrings. Add small beads, pearls, wooden beads, glass beads, or seed beads. Can add beautiful details. Try floral motifs. Roses, daisies, tulips, and tiny flowers work especially well for feminine designs. Make layered earrings. Crochet 2 or 3 small motifs and connect them vertically for a stylish hanging design. Use metallic findings. Gold or silver tone hooks and rings can make handmade earrings look more elegant. Try circular patterns. Mandala-style crochet earrings create etiquette and eye-catching designs. Add a stiffening treatment. Light stiffening the crochet bead can help it maintain its shape. Combine crochet with fabric. Small lace or fabric pieces can create a romantic vintage effect. Create seasonal designs. Make leaves for autumn, flowers for spring, snowflakes for winter, or colorful fruits for summer. Try boho-inspired patterns. Combine crochet with tassels, wooden beads, or earthy colors. Make minimalist earrings. Simple circles, tiny flowers, or single leaves can create an elegant everyday accessory. Pay attention to symmetry. Make both earrings the same size and shape for a professional finish. Secure the ends carefully. Hide and weave in loose yarn ends so the earrings don't unravel. Use different textures. Combine stitches such as single crochet, double crochet, peacocks, and lace-like stitches. Try ombre colors. Gradually transition from one shade to another for a sophisticated effect. Make statement earrings. Larger mandalas or dramatic floral designs can become the focal point of any outfit. Match earrings with outfits. Create neutral design for everyday wear and brighter designs for festive or traditional outfits. Try pearl accent. Add one or two small pearls to the center of flowers for an elegant finish. Use constructing border. Crochet the main shape in one color and outline it with another. Create tiny bows. Small crocheted bows make adorable feminine earrings. Try sunflower design. Yellow petals with a brown center create a cheerful summer accessory. Make fruit-shaped earrings. Tiny cherries, strawberries, lemons, or watermelons can create playful designs. Use metallic thread. A little gold or silver thread can give crochet earrings a festive appearance. Experiment with scalloped edge. Decorative edge makes simple earrings look more intricate. Add dangling chains. A short chain with a crochet motif can create an elegant chop earring style. Try vintage-inspired colors like dusty rose, cream, chess cream, mustard, and muted blue work beautifully for a vintage look. Create lace-inspired patterns. Open work pieces can give earrings a delicate harem-like appearance. Try feather motifs. Crocheted feathers can create a beautiful bohemian appearance. Combine two motifs. Pair a flower with a leaf or a hat with a tiny flower. Use natural colors, beige, brown, olive, cream, and terracotta. Create an earthy aesthetic. Try rainbow designs. Use several bright colors in a small circular motifs. Create candlelight earrings. Attach several small crochet motifs to a central piece for a dramatic look. Use crochet covered hoops. Wrap colorful thread around metal hoops and decorate them with small motifs. Add tassels carefully. A tiny tassel can make a crochet earring more playful. Try monochromatic design. Use different shades for the same color for a sophisticated appearance. Make matching set. Create earrings that coordinate with a crochet neckline, bracelet, or hair accessory. Try geometric motifs, diamonds, stars, hexagons, and triangles. Give crochet jewelry a modern appearance. Make boho rings. Combine a crocheted upper section with short strands of thread underneath. Use textured stitches. Puff stitches and bubble stitches can add dimension to simple designs. Keep the back neat. Carefully secure loose ends so the reverse side looks clean. Use comfortable earring hooks. Choose lightweight, smooth hooks that won't make the finished piece uncomfortable. Make matching color set. Offer the same design in several color combinations for variety. Photograph the details. Close-up photos help show the stitches, beads, and handmade craftsmanship. Create personalized design in details, but flowers, favorite colors, or special motifs can make earrings more meaningful. Finish with a handmade touch. A small handmade tag or pretty jewelry card can make the finished crochet earrings feel more special. And that is the beauty of crochet earrings. They turn simple thread and a little creativity into something truly special. From delicate flowers and vintage lace to colorful boho patterns and elegant pearl accents, there are endless designs to explore. Whether you are making them for yourself, as a thoughtful handmade gift, or even as a small jewelry collection. Crochet earrings are a beautiful way to express your personal style. Thanks for watching this video.